Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep, and I mean really deep, into the largest and most mysterious body of water on our planet, the Pacific Ocean. It's so vast it could hold all the continents combined and still have room to spare. We've got 10 mind-blowing facts for you that will completely change how you see this mighty ocean. Before we get started, if you enjoy exploring the wonders of our world, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to us, and we're so grateful you're here. All right, are you ready? Let's plunge in. Our first fact is about its sheer size. The Pacific Ocean covers about 30% of the Earth's surface and nearly half of its water surface. Think about it this way. Its area of 165 million square kilometers is larger than all of Earth's landmass put together. You could fit every single continent into the Pacific and still have an area the size of another Africa left over. It's almost impossible to wrap your head around that scale. Fact number 2. The Pacific is not just wide, it's also incredibly deep. It's home to the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench. Within this trench is a specific spot called the Challenger Deep, which plunges down to about 11,000 meters, or nearly 7 miles. To put that into perspective, if you were to place Mount Everest at the bottom of the Challenger Deep, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers underwater. The pressure down there is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. For our third fact, let's talk about its name. You might think an ocean this huge and powerful would have a name to match like the Turbulent or the Mighty. But Pacific actually means peaceful. It was named by the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. After navigating the treacherous straits at the southern tip of South America, his fleet emerged into this vast, calm body of water. He called it Mar Pacifico, which translates to peaceful sea. Of course, as anyone who has seen a typhoon knows, the Pacific isn't always so peaceful. Fact number 4 takes us to the Ring of Fire. This is a massive, horseshoe-shaped area in the Pacific Ocean basin where a huge number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. About 90% of the world's earthquakes and 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes are located here. This intense geological activity is because the Ring of Fire is where several tectonic plates, like the massive Pacific Plate, collide and slide against each other. It's a constant, slow-motion dance of creation and destruction. Next up, fact number 5. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking. It might be the biggest now, but it won't be forever. Due to plate tectonics, the Pacific is actually getting smaller by about 1 inch per year on 3 of its sides. At the same time, the Atlantic Ocean is growing. This is a super slow process, of course, so don't expect it to disappear anytime soon. We're talking millions of years for any noticeable change on a human scale. Fact number 6 is about the incredible biodiversity. The Pacific Ocean is home to an astonishing variety of life, from the tiniest plankton to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. It's estimated that the full extent of life in the Pacific is still largely unknown, especially in its deepest, darkest regions. Scientists believe that there could be millions of undiscovered species living in the depths, creatures that have adapted to survive in extreme conditions of pressure and darkness. This brings us to fact number 7, the Great Barrier Reef. Located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, it's the world's largest coral reef system. It's so big, it can be seen from outer space. The reef is composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, stretching for over 2,300 kilometers. It's not just one single thing. It's a massive living structure built by billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. It supports an incredible diversity of life and is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. For fact number 8, let's talk about islands. The Pacific Ocean contains more islands than any other ocean, over 25,000 of them. These islands are grouped into 3 main categories: Melanesia, Micronesia, and Polynesia. Polynesia alone, which forms a triangle from Hawaii to Easter Island to New Zealand, covers a vast area of the ocean and includes thousands of islands, each with its own unique culture and history shaped by the sea. Fact number 9 is a bit less glamorous, but very important: the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This is a massive collection of marine debris, mostly plastics, located in the North Pacific Gyre. It's not a solid island of trash, as some people imagine, but rather a vast area where the concentration of plastic particles is extremely high. It's a stark reminder of the impact human activity is having on our oceans and the urgent need for us to manage our waste more responsibly. And finally, fact number 10. The Pacific contains the most remote point from land on Earth. It's called Point Nemo, or the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. Located in the South Pacific, it's the spot in the ocean that is farthest from any land. Is that because of its remote location, the closest human beings to Point Nemo are often the astronauts aboard the International Space Station when it passes overhead, about 400 kilometers up. So there you have it, 10 incredible facts about the vast, deep, and ever-surprising Pacific Ocean, from being a cradle of life to a fiery ring of volcanoes. And from peaceful waters to a collector of our trash, the Pacific plays a monumental role on our planet. It's a world of its own, full of wonders we've seen and mysteries we've yet to uncover. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive. What fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.